Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Easter seed pack in Grow Garden game of Roblox new Easter update. Okay, this is how the Easter seed pack looks like, and I'm going to show you what's inside this Easter seed pack. I'm going to open it, guys. Okay, these are the seeds in the seed pack. Oh, I got sugar melon. And if you want to get this Easter seed pack, you need to join the Angry Plant event. You can go to this event area and you're going to feed this angry plant with the fruit that he wants. For now, he wants Easter licorice. I don't know how to pronounce it. And when you feed this angry plant with the fruit that he wants, he will give you seed pack, Easter seed pack. You can get candy carrot, chocolate berry, and then sugar melon, and so on. Ooh, let's go. And you can plant the seed in your normal garden. So when the Easter update is gone, maybe the Easter garden will be gone too. So you can plant the seed from the seed pack in your normal garden. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the Easter seed pack in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.